If you're looking for instructional videos that are already created, Khan Academy is a great resource for you. So the first thing you'll want to do is log into Clever, and you will log in as a teacher or staff, and this will take you to your Clever homepage. Now, you can search it up in the search bar. If you've not gone into Khan before, you might have it favorited, or I have it on my page. You will click on Khan Academy, and this will take you to the site. So Khan provides courses for students or specific learning on a certain standard, and it's not just math, but there's also language arts learning as well on here. So I will show you then, once we get into Khan Academy, you will go up to the search bar, and let's say I'm searching for fraction videos. So here it will come up with all different videos on fractions. So if I want this intro to fractions, it'll come up with this video. So this tells us what standards, and then about this video, as well as the transcript. If we want students to view at a certain point, we can do that as well. And we can also assign this. I could assign this to my whole class. I could assign it to specific students with a due date and then assign. If you are just wanting the video, and you can put this in your Schoology page or on a choice board, independent workboard, you can copy the link, and then I will show you what this does. So when I put this in, it takes me to YouTube. So that we are wanting to stay away from YouTube, just because then they could click on anything on the side, you can go to video.link, and this is similar to SafeShare. Since SafeShare is no longer, this is one of your best options that you can do to generate a video link that is safe for your students. So when I go here and I copy that YouTube link, it will generate my link, and then it will make a whole new link for me that they will view through the video link. So I will copy this, and now you can see when I put it up here, it will reroute me back to video link with no ads on the side, just featuring that video I want them to watch. So here is my video. You see that there is no longer that YouTube at the bottom, so they are unable to click on YouTube. So this is just a great way to use instructional videos in your classroom that is safe.